Hello rainbows. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be trying out for the first time ever the Fanola No Yellow shampoo and the No Yellow treatment mask. I'm so excited. So these products have been sent to me by AMR, who are an online wholesale hair supply company. This is my current hair. As you guys know, I've been going from pretty much black to blonde gradually, and my hair throws so much yellow, so much yellow. Only a month ago, pretty much I had my hair done and it was this gorgeous silvery ashy color. And within that time, me only washing my hair once a week, so 4 washes later, this is what I've got. Throws so much yellow. So I have never used this product before. I'm very, very intrigued to try this product out and actually see if it works and if it's going to work on my hair, because my hair is pretty tough. This is a shampoo. It is a balanced pH, so the pH is between 5.0 and 5.2. I will read the description on the back of the product. It says, ideal for grey, super lightened or decolored hair. Its violet pigment tones down unwanted yellow hues on grey, light blonde or streaked hair. To use, apply to wet hair, massage, leave for 1 to 5 minutes, lather and rinse off. Repeat if necessary. I'm going to dampen my hair and then we'll try out the shampoo. I'm making sure it's not absolutely dripping wet, because obviously any extra moisture in your hair is going to dilute the product. So I'm not going to wear gloves. Normally I do recommend to wear gloves. I want to see if this product will stain my hands though. Oh, it is so dark. So dark. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm not gonna lather it too much. I just want to like coat each section. Oh, it smells good. It smells real good. So I'm just doing this top section first, just so at least the top section will have pretty equal processing time, because I don't want to do like half my hair first and then start to do the other half of my hair and end up with one side that's more ashy than the other. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So of course, if your hair, hasn't been washed in a while, and it's pretty dirty, I would probably recommend doing just a standard normal shampoo prior to doing the toning shampoo. I would definitely just use this as a toning shampoo rather than an everyday shampoo. I'm gonna pin this up and we'll let it process. So one good thing I've noticed, it doesn't really stain your hair. All right, the timer has just gone off, so I'm going to rinse this off, put little Miss down for a minute. Hopefully she doesn't crack it. Let's have a look, okay? Oh my gosh, I can already tell the difference. It's not even dry yet. Wow. Wow. Wow! I am going to be using the treatment as well, which is a purple color. So I suggest if you are going to be using both of these, obviously don't leave the first one on for crazy amounts of time. If you are just going to be using this one, not this one as well, then you could probably stretch this out for maybe a little bit longer. Really does depend though on your hair texture, porosity, condition of your hair, all that jazz, because obviously more porous hair, more hair that's a little bit damaged might really grab onto the color, and you don't want it to be turning. You don't want it to be turning purple. Can you hear her? Oh my god, it's so cute. Again, I'm going to be drying as much of this off as I can. Oh, this one is very dark as well. Oh man, it smells good. Oh, it smells like perfume, honestly. Ah, so good. And a little does go a really, really long way. Alright, so this recommends processing time for 3 to 5 minutes. So I might just go halfway through and go 4 minutes. Alright, so I have rinsed the conditioner off and now let's have a bit of a look. My hair's been sitting in a towel for a while, so it's quite dry. Oh my gosh, so good. So good. I feel like a completely new person. So I'm going to dry this off and give my hair a bit of a straighten, and I will be back.
Before I show you guys the final finished result, I wanted to test out how the Fanola No Orange shampoo and the No Orange mask worked. So these were also sent to me by AMR. So I have some human hair extensions here, which are my old extensions, so they are very, very orange when I was going through the phase from going from dark to light. And we are going to test out this shampoo. So unlike the No Yellow, this does recommend that you use gloves when applying it. So this is a very dark blue shade. So it's not purple, it is blue. So the blurb on the back says it's suitable for colored hair with dark shades. Gently cleanses and neutralizes undesired copper and red reflex, leaving your hair shiny and hydrated. So wear appropriate gloves, apply to wet hair, massage on and leave for 1 to 5 minutes. And it says you can repeat the application if necessary. It also says do not apply on bleached or streaked hair, because I guess it would really grab. This also does not stain the scalp, so that's good to know. So just like with my own hair, I've dampened this piece of hair extension. I'm applying the shampoo and I'm just going to give it a really, really good lather. So the ends of this piece are quite light, so it's going to be interesting to see how the color turns out on that as well. So again, just like my own hair, I'm letting this process for 5 minutes, then I'm going to rinse it off. So processing time is done, and yes, it's still damp, but you can already see a difference. Like the ends of this is so much cleaner. It just has a more kind of pearlescent quality to it. So I am going to be applying the mask as well, and we'll leave that on for again 5 minutes, and I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, so here you have the end result. Now looking at it like this, it might not look that different until you compare it to another extension that obviously hasn't had the treatment done. Man, it is so much cooler toned. It's obviously not going to lighten your hair. This is designed for darker levels of hair, but if you're going through the process from going from dark to blonde, or if you're really struggling with unwanted red copper tones, oh, this is going to be your best friend.
Man, look at that light. Right here. Okay, rainbows, so here we have the finished result. Oh my gosh, it has made such an incredible difference. My hair feels amazing, it smells incredible, and I just love the color so much. I feel like I've just walked out of the salon and have my luscious locks back. So I'm absolutely in love. So thank you so much to AMR for sending this to me. Let me know what you guys think. Post a comment down below. So thank you, rainbows, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to become a part of the notification squad as well. Love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.